Okay, today we got a Desert Spring Furnace Humidifier. We're going to talk about how to clean it. Alright, so if you look at your furnace and you see one of these bad boys here, and you notice some limestone build up around here, you might want to clean it. So let's take a look inside here. If you see down here, got a bunch of bills. Yeah, like this, see? You want to clean all that stuff out. Here, all along here. You don't want that stuff in your air. So, first step we're going to do is we need to clear this water. So, if you want to come with me, we need to stop the water first. So, you'll notice a small tube going from your disc to one of these pipes, copper pipes. It has this little knob here. Alright, so turning it right is on. Okay. Turning it left is off. So you want to turn it all the way left. Oh, sorry. I'm facing it in reverse. Okay, next step here is you're going to get an empty bucket. Okay. You're going to put it underneath the drain pipe here. What you want to do is after you turn off the water from this pipe that's connected to this tube. You have a little drain pipe here, and you turn off the lid. Might be a little bit drops here. And you want to turn it on. That didn't look too good. Now if you want to look at that water, see how dirty it is? Nice and yellow. You don't want that stuff in the air. Alright. I'm going to close it off just to make sure we don't forget to close it off when we put it back together here. After we're done that, just going to remove this here. That blows your hot air through the humidifier. All the water gets sucked through the cool air vent. Okay, so this is heating up the house, but it blows through the water here. Now you want to take this thing off. Nice and easy. It's just connected to some discs. Oh, look at that. Whew. Alright, see that? Let's get a cloth here. Oh, look at all that. Alright, so we're going to just clean this out. Now you can, if you want, undo the wiring and unscrew this and take it out, but really I'm not an electrician, so I'm not going to touch the wires. We're just going to wipe the inside of this. So if you want to come back when I'm all done cleaning this, we'll do the next step. So we're going to use this lid to transfer over this gunk. Alright, and then once we got most of it off here, you can take a scrub brush or a SOS pad and start scrubbing this little bits. Alright, so without taking it out, you can't put that much pressure on it. So I can't really push down on it really hard. So I'm just doing it lightly, and you'll notice some of the lime buildup will not be coming off. But that's alright. As long as there's no loose lime, that's alright. All the dry stuff, get into your air ducts, air system, into your air, your kids breathe it in. So after we do that, we still have some water in there, just to help kind of melt all the limestone. Okay, and we're going to drain it some more. It was a little bit stuck from all that buildup. That's alright. Alright, so here we turned on the water again, just so we can do some extra cleaning. You might want to try some little bit of CLR, calcium lime buildup. You can buy it at any Canadian Tire or Walmart. So you see, there's a big difference now. And of course, there would be a even bigger difference if we'd be able to take this one off. But unfortunately, this place is being rented, and it's not our job to be disabling and mounting things in the house. Cleaning, it's our job, but maintenance is not really our job. But we don't want to be breathing this in. Get some of this here. Okay, so this is about as clean as we can get it today. Stuff is real, it's like concrete, pretty glued onto there. Alright, so now we're going to drain our water, and we're going to clean the wheel. So if you want to come with me. Alright. So we're just going to use your average basement drain here. Clean all the water. And I want to give this a rinse off with clean water. So this will be our next step. Yeah, it's just coming off. Nice. Alright. So just come back and I'll be done cleaning this. So as you can see, it goes right through. And you might find that the water is a little brown. A little bit dusty in there if you haven't had it on for a while. Alright. Alright. So, slide this back into place here. Left side in, the right side in first. It should go right on the wheel. If you want to come have a look here, you can see that little wheel. It should be connected, locked in there. Yeah, there we go. Alright. And as you can see, I turned on the water. It's not as clean as I would like it, but it's the best we can do for now. Pop the lid back on. Alright, then next step here is to turn it on if you're living in Canada. It's about 45%. You want that. Okay, so you have 40 here. And about 45. Alright. And our next step would be obviously to clean this here, our mess. And that's it. We're done. We're out of here. See you later.